So hello, this is how you make a Pong game in Scratch. So you just you see here that I typed in Pong here. I'm just gonna give you some time to type it in. You done? That's good. So delete the cat and go in the backdrops. I mean, go inside a sprite, choose a sprite, and then get the ball. You place the ball in the middle. So you drag out the go to X, put it to 0, 0, add a green flag on top, add a forever loop, and then now you add a forever loop, you get enough you get a you get another spot. Right? You try and I'm sweeping down. It can be anything that you want to catch with, but I'm choosing paddle. Change the paddle size, but this is your choice. Add a green flag, and then add a forever loop. Oops, what happened there? So now we add the the when the mouse X, and we sweep down in motion and get set X to, add the mouse in, and pop it in the forever loop. Now go back in the ball. Now do if on edge bounce. Sweep up and get move 10 steps block. Now you get to point direction. You change it into 45, but it can be any direction you want. Now we add an if statement, and inside of that if and then we add touching paddle. We'll just reverse it 180 degrees away. Now get another sprite. Type in the search bar line and get the line. Drag the line down here. One green flag clicked. Forever. Put it here. Forever. If touch in line. Touching ball. Then we make a new broadcast. Game over. We put that broadcast inside of the if statement. You get another sprite, but we're not gonna press choose sprite this time. We're gonna choose paint. So now we're in paint. Select the bitmap, convert to bitmap, and now click on it. Then go inside of paint tool. Then click on the fill button. Click. Now make it black, but it can be any color you want. Fill it in, and then select on this letter T. Then click the font that you want. I like Pixel, but it can be anything you want also. And it's the same with the fill. I like mine to be white. Now I add game over. Make it a bit big. But look, it's out of order, and it should not supposed to be showing. So we go inside of events and click on the red and green flags clicked. Then we go inside of looks. We scroll down until you see the hide. We put it on the when green flags clicked. And then we go in events again. And then we drag when I receive game over. Then it will show. Just one more thing. You're doing so good. Go to 0, 0. I hope you like my scratch tutorial. Bye bye. But before I go, I do have to check it first. Uh-oh, that is a bug. What am I gonna do? Oh, it's fixed. Hooray! But just a reminder. Yeah. I hope you like my scratch tutorial. Goodbye!